All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at this glass carafe pitcher. Now this thing looks amazing. A lot of those old school round pitchers are just out of date and out of style. So this is kind of like an aesthetic upgrade that you're gonna be seeing here with this one. It's got a square or rectangular design. Up here at the top, you're gonna see that it's got a stainless steel lid. And that's one of the first points I wanted to make about this is we're trying to get rid of all plastics in the house. We wanna go with anything that is glass, stainless steel, so we're not getting any of those microplastics. And this is perfect because the whole container itself is made out of glass. And then you've got this nice stainless steel lid. Now, one of the things I like about the stainless steel lid here is that it's got two different pouring types. Let me get this closer so you can see it's got one side that's got these dots, and then the other side is more of an open flow. And what's really nice about this is I've seen some other ones on Amazon where they do have the open flow. However, there's no space for the air to kind of get sucked into it. So it ends up kind of going bloop, 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 bloop every time you pour it. So it ends up splashing everywhere, and it's just not a good design function. So I really like the fact that they put this on here because not only do you have two options of pouring, but you're also gonna have that airflow on the other side, which is really gonna open it up to actually pour it out fast. And that's pretty important when it comes to this because, you know, this is a 1 gallon pitcher. So this is gonna be kind of heavy if it's all the way filled up. So you wanna have something that's poured out fast so you don't have to sit here and bend your wrist for too long. So let's go ahead and pour it out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the dotted side first, and we just got some water here in our pitcher. Oh, also notice here, you can see that they've got this rubber gasket on here, which is really nice so that it doesn't spill out the sides if you kind of tip it over to the side. So let's go ahead and start pouring this out. And again, I got this on the side that has the dots. So this is what the flow is going to be with the dots. You can see it's a very slow pour, and I think it's, you know, obviously on purpose because they want you to be able to slowly pour the liquid out. And this is gonna probably be more for something like into a glass. Okay, now let's do the other side. This is gonna be the open pour, and you're gonna see the difference between the pour of the other style. So it is gonna come out a little bit faster this way, which I kind of do like. This type of pitcher is perfect for those summertime drinks, so things like lemonades and iced teas. And because this is a very strong glass, you're able to actually put hot drinks in here as well. So if you are gonna be doing any type of hot teas, this thing can handle it. Plus you also have this stainless steel up here on the top. So even if you do have a hot drink like a hot tea and you pour it through here, you don't have to worry about it going up against any types of plastic and then that hot heat, you know, seeping those microplastics into your food. So I really love the fact that they made a full stainless steel lid. One of the other things I really like about this compared to some of the other ones I've had in the past is the fact that they make the top of this nice and wide. So you can see how open that actually is up the top. So if you're gonna be cleaning this, which is a huge important part of this, you easily can stick your hand inside of here and reach down here and actually clean the whole thing instead of relying on using a brush, because that ends up just being a hassle trying to clean everything out with a brush. It's so much easier if you can just go ahead and get your hand in there with a sponge and do it yourself. Plus, it's nice because you could also throw both of these in the dishwasher. This is gonna be dishwasher safe. Although, you know, if there is stuff stuck on the side like pulp, I usually like getting it out myself first and then throwing it into the dishwasher just for more of like a sanitization. So if you're in the market for a glass pitcher, this is definitely the one I would recommend. It's got a beautiful design. It's all made out of no plastic, so it's all glass and stainless steel, and it does a great job pouring as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a good pitcher, this is the one I would definitely recommend.